I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not allowing you to upload images or files. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I was trying to create a new chat on ChatGPT, and as you can see, it doesn't let me upload any image or file. It says attachments are disabled for, so it doesn't give me any information. And the fix is very easy. All you need to do is click right here on ChatGPT and select a model. So for example, this one, I think this is the best one. So once you click there, you will see you can now upload files. You can upload any image or file now, and you can also use the search the web feature as well. So that's it. As you can see, now it's working correctly, and this happens sometimes. I don't know why. When you create a new chat, it sometimes doesn't select any ChatGPT model. So that's the easiest fix you can use. I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.